Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet with frozen fruit. First, gather your ingredients: a bag of your favorite frozen fruit, a touch of liquid like water or juice, and optional sweeteners. Ensure your fruit is truly frozen solid for the best texture. This simple process transforms fruit into a delightful, refreshing treat. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a healthy dessert. Let's get started on this delicious journey together. Achieving that smooth, creamy sorbet texture is all about the blending technique. Add your frozen fruit to a powerful blender or food processor. Start by pulsing, then gradually increase to a steady blend. If the mixture is too thick, add liquid 1 tablespoon at a time, like water, fruit juice, or even a splash of coconut milk. Keep blending until it reaches a soft serve consistency, scraping down the sides as needed to ensure everything is incorporated evenly. Once your sorbet has reached the perfect consistency, it's time to fine-tune the flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice can brighten the taste and balance sweetness. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, consider adding a natural sweetener like a tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Taste and adjust until it's just right. For the freshest taste and texture, serve your homemade sorbet immediately after blending. It's a truly refreshing treat. If you have any sorbet left over, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the freezer. To prevent ice crystals, you can press a layer of plastic wrap directly onto the surface before sealing the lid. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply let it sit at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. And speaking of staying refreshed, for a great way to keep your drinks cold, check out the O Ala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other fantastic deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.